You can now do keyword research live in WordRocket, and this update is absolutely game changing and really separates WordRocket from any other AI writing tool. So you can start by entering your seed keyword, which is going to be your main or target keyword, and then you'll be able to get variations of that keyword. So for example, let's say my main keyword is private mortgages, and I wanted to find related keywords about that topic. I can then select my seed keyword. I can then select my location. We're going to keep with United States. My language, we'll expand languages and location as we continue to develop this feature. And you can choose how many keywords you would like to do research on. So once we set up our parameters, I'm just going to go ahead and click research keywords. And as you can see here, now we have a variety of different keywords in which we can take a look at. So we found 66 keywords, and it was very, very quick for us to find our keywords. Now, there's a couple of things in which we can do now. We can take a look at our keyword. We can see the volume, the KD, the CPC, which is the cost per click, intent, source, and then there's an AI search questions where we can enrich our keywords to include GEO optimized questions and a blog post topic. So for example, I'm going to click generate, and again, within a couple of seconds, it's going to use whatever API you have on your WordRocket account. We can see 5 GEO questions, right? What is a family opportunity mortgage? How does it work? Can I buy it? Blah, blah, blah. And then we get a blog post title, right? Now here is where it gets even more powerful. And this is a feature that is not included in any AI writing tool in the market. I can then go ahead and click generate. If I click generate, it's going to take me over to my generate template. If it's a product based keyword, it's going to take me over to the product roundup. And as you can see, everything is already going to be pre-filled out with the information that we just got back. We can add any elements in which we like. We can update the images as we like. But as you can see here, our topic, our additional context includes our AI questions, right? And our web search term is there and our target keyword. So now all we have to do is sit back and click generate content. So again, let's go back over to the keyword research and take a look at our other keywords. So if I go back over to my keyword research, as we can see here, we're going to have the library to find our last recent run. And here again, we can see the keywords in which we found. So all of the keywords in which you generate will be saved. So you can always go back and take a look at your keywords. So as you can see here, we actually have a lot of really, really good keywords. So how to loan money to family, IRS family loans, private mortgage templates. Can I give a private mortgage? Private mortgages for bad credit, private mortgage lenders, right? Like these are all really investing in private mortgages, like second mortgages. These are all really well related and relevant keywords that will give me keyword ideas that I can start writing on. So WordRocket not just only writes your content, now it actually does keyword research based upon real metrics that allows you to then get those keywords. And again, let's say we wanted to write on this keyword, we can then AI enrich the keyword. We don't have to do that. We can simply go ahead and click generate. But if we wanted to, we can click AI enrich. Again, now we have our questions, and then we have our title, and we can simply go ahead and click generate. If you wanted to, you can click the global AI questions, and that will actually go ahead and run AI questions for all of your queries. Keep in mind, this uses your own API key. It's a very cheap call. So if I go to activity, as you can see here, we're using Claude 3.5 Haiku, and it's costing you 0.000869, right? So very minimal cost per run. So we wanted to make it so that you have the ability to choose which AI questions you would like to enrich, on which keyword you would like to get geo-optimized questions and a blog post title. And then you can use that. Again, if you go ahead and click generate, it's going to go right into the generate SEO content template. And then we can simply go ahead and click generate SEO content. This is by far one of my favorite and most excited features that we've recently launched. It just really allows you to stay within WordRocket, do your keyword research, write your content, and do everything in one place. And again, as we offer, super easy to use, very, very intuitive, and allows you to save more time and allow you to generate content much more quicker and find content ideas. Now, your keyword research is going to be limited based upon the plan that you're on. So go ahead and take a look at our pricing page if you want to see how many keyword research runs you have included in your plan. But overall, it's going to be pretty generous for you. So you can go ahead, start your keyword research, and then start writing your content using WordRocket. If you want to check it out, head over to app.wordrocket.ai. Hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.